What we have seen today is just the beginning of what is really possible when we rethink the value of test and use the latest technology and analytics and data to drive performance at all levels of an organization. We want to realize this vision by listening to our data and providing you the best opportunity to get the most value out of the insights obtained from the data. I wanted to provide you a little bit more insights into some of the other capabilities that's coming down the pipeline at NI to help improve for the customer reliability, yield, quality in your own process. It all starts with 45 years of experience in the test and measurement space, where data coming out of our test and measurement systems can be streamed into a TCO-optimized data repository that is secure, resilient, and always available to all our products and systems. We surround this data repository with a set of reusable microservices that can be leveraged across our product portfolio to deliver newer capabilities faster, staying responsive to the needs of our customers in this agile world. This is what we call the core of our software platform. All our software products and capabilities are built on this platform, which gives you the advantages of a platform-based approach to product development. All these capabilities are available to you as APIs or standard integration patterns so that you can extend them to meet any specific requirements or corner cases that you have. All the software building block that we are developing here are designed to run in your private data center or in a public cloud, depending on the needs that you have at your end. Now, if I unpeel this layer another level deeper, we have taken this modular approach of putting this platform together. It's like a block of Legos that can be put in a certain combination to answer the needs of a certain set of customers, seamlessly synergizing with what you already have in your ecosystem today. The core of this platform is the data ingestion service that helps us ingest data from all your connected systems for meaningful analysis. Once the data is ingested, it is persisted in a TCO-optimized manner with the right data persistence services, whether it's time series data, waveform data, or parametric data, and other future data formats that you can plug into this architecture. The analytical and ML engine gives you the ability to leverage insights from our templatized model with the flexibility for you to bring your own models and plug them into this architecture. The visualization layer that we have here is connected to or embedded with standard BI tools that you're very familiar with. And the UI framework layer acts as a glue, bringing all this together with a very simple UI experience. The core of the platform uses security frameworks, resiliency frameworks, and DevOps tools to be able to deploy products in a simple, elegant, and lightweight manner, both in your data center or in the cloud. And every aspect of this modular architecture is extensible through APIs. Now, this is a 100,000 view of it. Let me unpeel this another layer further. Now, this chart is going to look like a very heavy chart, and it is intentionally meant to be a heavy chart to show you the level that NI is going to hide this complexity from each and every one of you so that you can choose to integrate into this ecosystem using APIs and other integration patterns so that it can coexist with what you already have today. Let me double-click into some specific areas. The data persistence service, we use polyglot persistence so that we can use the right persistence store for your workload characteristics, whether it's SQL, NoSQL, object stores, in a TCO-optimized manner. The analytics and ML layer is made up of a collection of ML frameworks like Kubeflow, Spark, RStudio, that you can use to build your own machine learning models. Also, we would provide a bunch of models that come templatized to democratize some of the best practices that we get in the industry. On the analytics tool side, we wanted to give you the choice of the analytic tools that you're familiar with. So we have embedding tools like MicroStrategy to start with, and later on Tableau and Power BI, so that you can innovate with the tools that you're familiar with on this platform. And of course, the platform core services has a set of capabilities like security frameworks to do encryption, bring your own keys, Docker and Kubernetes to be able to deploy in an agile and lean manner, either in your data center or in the cloud. And of course, the UI framework is a simple UI framework made up of Angular and other building blocks to give you a simplified UI experience either in any browser or on a mobile device. And every layer of this platform is available to integrate, extend through APIs. Now let's take it back another 100,000 feet of this platform and look at the simplified architecture. This is the model that we want to give you that can blend into your system. It's using this model, we've actually built an application for wafer classification, and I want to talk about that in a minute. One step in the semiconductor wafer manufacturing process is called wafer sort. In this step, the wafer is tested electronically using an automatic test equipment. Following this step, the engineers today visually analyze the wafer for defects. What NI has done on this platform is that we've built a software that automates the process of analyzing the wafer and identifying patterns of bad quality wafer as shown in the chart below. The automated software does post-wafer sort clarification step much, much faster. It's deterministic, consistent, and greatly reduces manual errors. It also helps detect granular patterns much more accurately. The advantages to you are you increase productivity by focusing on solving the problem rather than looking for them. You can rely on NI's cumulative knowledge gained through processing 100 billion dies a year for the last 15 years. By finding the best dies, you can optimize yield by binning or routing the best dies to segments of the market which have the most stringent requirements. You can also detect many systemic problems that you are not able to do manually. Also, because wafer classification is a solution that's being offered as a SaaS solution, it is easier to access and onboard and coexist with any product or analytics solution that you're using today. We are planning to release this version in Q4 on this platform that I just showed you that would include a few templatized wafer classification algorithms. And in future, we would allow you to have the flexibility to build your own algorithms for wafer classification. So this is one more example of how we make life better for our customers by helping them listen to their data